Welcome to our channel. If you have a Netspend virtual card and want to activate it for online shopping, follow these step-by-step instructions to start making secure online purchases. Step 1. Log in to your Netspend account by visiting the Netspend website or opening the Netspend mobile app on your smartphone. Step 2. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to the card section or virtual card section from the main menu. Step 4. Locate your virtual card from the list of available cards displayed on your screen. Step 5. Click on the virtual card to view its details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 6. If there is an Activate button or Enable button, click on it to activate your virtual card for online transactions. Step 7. Verify your identity if prompted by entering a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or email address. Step 8. Once verified, your virtual card is now active and ready to use. Step 9. To make an online purchase, enter your virtual card number, expiration date, and CVV at the payment checkout page. Step 10. Complete the transaction by confirming the payment and entering any additional information required by the merchant. Step 11. Monitor your Netspend account regularly to track your virtual card transactions and ensure security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.